And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in a renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next. At a mountain bike track in town, Port Macquarie. Check out some of this stuff. Woo! Count the coloured cars. White, 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 and the truck at the end is white, and there's like one red. So we got to the new camp spot, and we just got to a walk, and it was like a real dusty trail. I'm like, oh, red dust. Look at it all up the seal, all over everything. Everything in silicon has just been dusted. Gosh darn it! Did any of the dust get in? Oh, a little bit on the floor. Well, not really though. Oh, yes it did. There's dust in here for sure.
Oh yeah.
God damn it. It's gonna have coated everything. Oh man. Well, there must be a hole somewhere. That sucks. Yeah, I didn't think dust would get in here. Jesus. How does so much dust get in? Must be getting in the back doors.
Oh, wow, okay.
It's bad, yeah. I think I might like put some towel or something down the bottom because I reckon it's getting in through the door. Yeah, look at all this. Around the gaps and stuff. Oh man, so it's this door doesn't seal well. Doing a bit of coastal trails. Jeez Louise, that's some big trenches. Yeah, this is where we are at the moment. Yeah, we just parked like there. We just come down here, and we're going to finish the loop, and then we'll probably walk down there. Turns out this is a paragliding spot. I just talked to the dude and they said they might be here tomorrow, so I might suss it out tomorrow and have a bit of a fly. It doesn't look like it's very far, like you can literally just go from that point to here when it's good to fly. And sometimes if the wind's coming this way, you can get just to the end there. So it's not a large area to fly around, but still, it'd be nice wherever the guy's gone. There he is. It'd be nice to get in the air again. I feel like I'm missing out. To be fair, that was really not a very large area to fly. That's probably the peak of it, and then just back to there. So it's like maybe 100 meters of flying area. So I parked so the sun's on this side. Yeah, I can see A fair few gaps where dust can get in. Like it's mostly sealed, but not totally. Particularly at the bottom and all through the center. So I think I'm gonna seal that up now. Because yeah, I don't want that much dust getting in again, that sucks. So I put tape on this side and tape on this side, joined in the middle to make a seal. And check it out, it's actually not too bad. As far as makeshift shitty seals go. It's pretty good compared to how it was. And I can just rub some sealing stuff on this side just to block that little gap. It should be pretty sweet. I just got to do probably another one of those sealing things there. Hopefully it's long enough. I think it is. Because it's got two. Yeah, plenty long enough. And that side seems to be sealing pretty well. You can see there's not a lot of light coming out there compared to here. Unless it's because it's not closed. Nah, it's as close as it's going to get. Yeah, this side definitely needs a bit more. Yeah, a lot better than it was, that's for sure. So I obviously need like a bead of silicone along the bottom of this so nothing can get in, because any seal I put there I'll just step on and wreck it. So a strong bead of silicone, but how do I put the silicone here without on the door? So I was thinking using some of this petroleum, because I'm pretty sure petroleum stops silicone from sticking to your fingers. Yeah, look at that. It does not want to grab me. Look at that, I can like actually, it's like blue tack almost on the fingers. Doesn't want to stick. How good's that? Oop, I don't have wax on that top bit. I mean, grease. That is good as. So I'm going to put this on the door. I'm going to put a big bead of silicone, and it shouldn't stick to the door. I'm not going to lie. That looks pretty permanently silicone shut. We'll see. Hopefully it worked. I don't know whether you can see. There's a few fish down there. This one there. Yeah, there's a few around. There's another couple. Yeah, it's, what was the name of this place? This Stingray Creek. Yeah.
Laurieton, I think it's called.
Yeah, Stingray Creek. It's pretty nice. And there's like a random seat thing. I'll get off it. If I can. Yeah. Look, what was that? Oh yeah, just on a ride, having a bit of explore around. But actually, where we're going? What was the destination?
Well, we've got two destinations.
What was the first one?
Lakeside Walk.
And then the lookout.
Then I think it's called North Brothers Lookout.
Yeah, it's the plan. And yeah, I'll show you a little bits along the way. Oyster things. Fish coming down. Oh, look at that. It's pretty dirty water. Must be, I don't know, is it? It's not Barramundi, is it? Hey, Blake. Kick! Almost feels like Arthur's seat. It's steep. Check it out, like look at the front. If I hold just the front brake, we roll backwards. Look at that. And the brake, look at that, the front wheel's not even moving. If I push back a little bit, oh shit, need the back brake. That's how steep it's been. It doesn't look it, but it's been very steep.
Should be a good view at the top.
Yeah,
we're on a red light. It's really
I don't
weird.
know, like do we wait? Or, is that a fire? Oh yeah, it's green. I'm sorry, bike. I really hope that my bike doesn't fall. Feels like it's leaning pretty hard. Yeesh. Yeah, super steep. And check it out. Dude must have like come around the corner and just straight off. I feel like I've got to check it out. The fact that I can see a hole straight through the car means there's probably not a great deal on the other side. Yeah, you can see through the floor and it goes straight through the other side. Yeah, it's totally been cooked, hasn't it? All this melted. Alright, I'll show you what the other side looks like. Check it out. Had a sunroof. I reckon the people driving that got pretty freaking lucky. Because like, that they would have been unharmed apart from the, you know, the G-forces of smashing. And like the potential would have been pretty bad. Like how lucky is that, Nay? The front and the back got crushed and the middle's totally fine. Yeah, I'll show you. But yeah, it's totally burned out. Wonder what it was. Like you'd hope it's windy enough. Oh yeah, it's pretty good height.
That's a nice bit of lift there, Riley.
That must be where we were today.
Look at this stupid red road. Apparently they brought the soil from somewhere else and that's why it's red. Why would they have, oh, it's so annoying. So much red on the truck now. This is where we're camping, by the way. Whoop. That's our caravan and truck. It's a pretty nice area, like right in the water. It's beautiful. Good morning. We are heading to, where,
Don't
Naomi?
ask what's it called.
What's it called, Naomi?
I don't know how to say the reserve name, but Camden Head.
Yep, that's where we're heading, and we're gonna do some walks and such, and it is very early. But I didn't feel like driving. I wanted to ride it because I want to ride back. So yeah, that's what the plan is.
Or Donbogan.
Dunbogan or Dunbogan or something like that. Look out. This is the Fisherman's Bluff lookout. Some pretty big waves. Look at that one. Hey, little birdie. Maybe. Yeah. This will be where we're going today, all the way to the end of that point. Bonny's Hill. That is some aggressive looking ocean. Whoa, look at this. Boom. Nice lookout. This is Pebbly Beach and named accordingly for its pebbles. What?
Blue blackberry.
Big ass blowflies. And that's the lookout. Right, that's the lookout we could see from over there or there. One of those. This is the Charles Hammy lookout, I believe. That's where we were up there. Get out. New derailleur. My derailleur's busted. It's missing the cog and the thing's busted. So made it the bike to Bonny Hills. So yeah, Lake Kattang, or however you say it, is just over there. That's like it right there. Yeah, almost pretty much completed the circle. Alright, it's been a day. Hopefully the silicon's dried enough. Ooh, I see light coming through that bit. Hey, look at that. Nice, it worked. Worked like a charm. And that is zero light coming through there. Let me find out and close the other door. There's still a tiny bit of light getting through the very top. Apart from that, pretty good. Definitely no light coming through here. Look at that. Try and shadow it out. Obviously the skylight's open. That's pretty good. What a good seal. Nice. Now I'm just gonna put this back. And then, because I think this what's it called? The seal would get in the way of like your feet. But I think if this is here, whoop, wait. If this is here. Oh, there's tape in there. There we go. So then you won't hit it with your feet. I took a little bit of door with it, bit of paint. I might just complete that to the end on both sides. Yeah, there's still a little bit of, just in case water comes, it'll keep the water out as well. I like it, that worked really well. A bit of lube, who would have thought?